The guest signing mode is used for less formal documents such as signing a receipt or receiving a delivery. For this, signers are required to be with a DottedSign account holder to sign the document. First, create a new document and click Get Signatures. Now choose your document type. Click the top pull-down button and change Remote Signing to Guest Signing. You can now add signers' names to the document. Now click Next. The signer can now add his or her signatures. You can also add dates, text, checkboxes, and radio buttons chosen from your toolbar. You can now drag your signature anywhere on the document. If you want to let more signers sign on the same document, please add their names and switch to their names to start signing. Once finished, you will see the document status change to completed in the Home tab. A notification email of completion with the file attached will automatically be sent to the host email. By logging into the DottedSign web version, you can download the full audit trail.